Hello everybody. Today, we are going to discuss about the classification of dams. This presentation is prepared by Anis K. Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, MEA, Engineering, College, Perinthalmanna. A dam may be defined as a solid barrier constructed at suitable location across river valley, with a view of impounding water flowing through that river. It is a watertight seal placed in a river in order to create a lake or reservoir by impounding the stream flow. Dams are created for the following objectives: generation of hydropower energy, providing water for irrigation facilities, fish farming, fighting droughts, controlling of floods, water supply for domestic consumption, providing navigational facilities. Dams can be classified according to use, hydraulic design, material, structural behavior. Classification according to use. Based on the use of dam, they are classified into three types. Storage dam. These are the dams constructed to store water during the rainy season when there is a large flow in the river. The stored water is utilized later during the period when the flow in the river is reduced. Examples for storage dams are gravity dam, arch dam, rock fill dam, etc. Diversion dam. A diversion dam is constructed for the purpose of diverting water of the river into an off-taking canal. A diversion dam is usually of low height and has a small storage reservoir on its upstream. Examples are weir, barrage. Detention dam. Detention dams are constructed for flood control. A detention dam retards the flow of water in the river on its downstream by storing flood water. The water retained in the reservoir is released gradually at a controlled rate. Example is debris dam. The pictures shown below are storage dam and diversion dam. Classification according to hydraulic design. Overflow dam. An overflow dam is the one which is designed to carry surplus discharge over its crest. Its crest level is kept lower than the top of the other portion of the dam. Non-overflow dam. A non-overflow dam is the one in which the top of the dam is kept at a higher elevation than the maximum expected high flood level. Water is not to overtop the dam. Classification according to material. Rigid dam. Dams which are constructed of rigid materials such as dams are concrete, timber, etc. These dams deflect and deform very little when subjected to water pressure and other forces. Examples are concrete gravity dam, solid masonry dam, etc. Non-rigid dam are those which are constructed of non-rigid materials such as earth or rock fill. There are relatively large settlements and deformations in a non-rigid dam. Examples are earth dam, rock fill dam. Classification according to structural behavior. First type of dam based on structural behavior is gravity dam. A gravity dam is a solid concrete structure, generally having a triangular profile, which is so designed that it can safely stand against the pre-calculated volume of water by virtue of its weight. Next type of dam based on structural behavior is buttress dam. Buttress dams are derived from gravity dams. This type of dams have thin concrete slab which is supported from downstream side by buttresses. It uses multiple reinforced columns to support the dams. Since it has relatively thin structure, so there is considerable amount of saving of concrete material. Next one is arch dams. It is an arch-shaped solid structure made up of concrete which is designed in such a way that a major part of the thrust forces acting on the dam are transmitted to arch. These types of dams are best suited for narrow valleys. Another type of dam is embankment dam. These are non-rigid structures which are built over wide valleys with varying foundations. These are trapezoidal in shape and are built of single type of material or combination of more than one material. The main advantage of these dams is that it can be constructed on weak foundation. Impervious core is placed in the middle of the embankment body. Generally riprap is used to control erosion. Finally, let us discuss about composite dam. Composite dams are combinations of one or more dam types. Most often a large section of a dam will be either an embankment or gravity dam, with the section responsible for power generation being a buttress or arch. Another type of composite dam is formed as a combination of arch and buttress dam. Thank you all for watching.